blah blah blah. Today we're gonna play this game. Alright, we're gonna play this game. Let's start. Let's keep playing, alright? It's a challenge. If I can only fail 2 times, alright. If I can only fail 2 times. If I fail more than 2 times, I have to start over again. Alright, 1 time. Alright, 1 time, I'm gonna get back. Ugh. I failed 2 times, I have to start over again. Okay, ready? Alright, only first time. I want to start over again. I'm very new to this game. I'm just new to this game, so yeah. Pardon me. It's like Minecraft. Come on! Jump again. Come on! Only 2 jumps allowed. It's unfair, right? It's unfair, right? Jump! Come on. 2 times already. Jump! Alright. I still have 1 more time. No! Yeah, so yeah, I cannot make it 2 times. Let me make it 4 times. And yeah, I will increase the share screen. Alright, let me make it 4 times. I cannot make it 2 times, so let me make it 4 times. Alright, 1 time. 2 times. 3 times. Yeah, this is the last time. 4 times, that is okay. Because they move. No! We have 4 times. Only 4 times. This challenge is going very wide. Alright, let me start again. I got it 4 times. Alright, okay, 1 time. Alright. 2 times. I got only 2 times. Finally. Nope, alright, 3 times. Alright, 4 times, alright, this is last time. If I fall down, God, I'm gonna smash this with the. Alright, I get this. Yes, we made it! Alright, let's go. Which way should I go? This way or this way? This way. Let's go, let's run and go. Oh, this is like a tower mystery, but can we go up? Right, go up. What's up? Alright, did I make it? Alright. Hello, what's up? I found, right. So guys, this is the end of the video. Of course, I already made it this obby. I'm very genius. I already made this obby, so it means that I'm a genius. Yeah, I only have to try that 4 times or 5 times, I don't know. Let's see if I can make it to the other side without falling in the water. Good, let's see. If I can make it to the other side without falling into the water. Good. This game is very good, dude. Right, this game is very good. Alright, so guys, this is the end of the video. This game is very good, dude. I played this one on board. Alright, so guys, this is the end of the video. Bye, guys. And next time, peace.